Hey my fluffy buns, so today I'm going to do a how-to tutorial how to lube the switches and maybe the stabilizer. So yeah, let's just get started. So first things first, you're going to need a switch opener. All of these from Amazon, so you might maybe use this one, not this one. I can just close this. There we go. And you need like a stem puller right here, the switch, some lube, and you also might need a lube oil. I'm not going to show you that because it's already been open, but it's the same thing, but it's in oil form, lube oil. Also gonna need like a teeny tiny brush right here. First things first, you're gonna have to open your switch. So I'm not sure you guys can see that. You get the switch, make sure it's facing where you can read Apple Maker or the title or whatever. You put it right here. There we go. So it should look like this. And I normally have like a mat for this to do. I'm not going to show you that, but you can get it from Amazon too. So this is the top housing, the stem. So this is top housing right here. All right, I'm going to put it right here. Top housing, stem, spring, and bottom housing. And when you do like take this lube, take a teeny tiny brush it off on your palm, whatever, and like you lube the bottom housing. Like you get like a little bit of lube, like little goes a long way. You don't need like a whole lot. So you take this lube right here, brush it, put a palm in here. If it's too much, brush the bottom housing facing like this way. And you can lube the stem by itself, but if there's like more than one, you can like get the oil. So first things first, shoot, I got oil in my hands. So you get like a piece of bag, get the spring, put like 1 or 2 or 3 drops, or at least 2 drops of lube oil, and then put it back together over here. Bottom housing, spring. I'm just gonna leave this that's to the side. And then the stem, you take the stem puller, it grabs it, and then you lube all the sides right here, if you can see that. And then the feet, these two are the feet, if you guys can see that. And you put it right on the stem right here, and then you grab the top housing, make sure it says Apple Maker on top of it, and when you feel like it fits, you just close it. And then I didn't lube this, so I'm just showing you how to open it and how to reassemble it, but yeah. So that's basically it. You basically do the rest the same. Now for the stabilizer. So I took off the space bar using a keycap. Take this stem puller right here, and you lift this. Oh, you lift this up. You take a teeny tiny brush of lube, and you'll brush it from inside right here, everywhere. Basically the same thing. And then you release it. So this helps to prevent some rattle noises, and you do the same thing with the rest, but I'm not going to open the rest. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you lube the switches and the stabilizer. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time, my fluffy buns.